Hi all, welcome to the next session of an interesting Python video. Today we are going to see about three things: booleans, operators and the list. Okay, so booleans are basically you have an expression and you evaluate the value of the expression. It can be either 0 or 1. Okay, 0 corresponds to a false value, 1 corresponds to the true value. Say for example, print of 10 greater than 9. The result is true because obviously 10 is greater than 9, right? So the result would be true. So if you have print of 10 less than 9, you get a false. Okay, because 10 is not less than 9, so you get a false. So these are the Boolean values. So let's go on to the operators. You have arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are basically the mathematical operations you have. You have an addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and these fall under the arithmetic operators. The next is assignment operators. You have a variable and you assign a value to the variable. Say for example, x equal to 5. In this case, the value of 5 gets assigned to x. Okay, another way, you can just print x. Okay, another kind of assignment is x plus equal to 3. Print of x. Here, you're trying to increment the value of x by 3. Okay, so you get 8. So this is the short form of x equal to x plus 3. So instead of writing such a long expression, you are just compacting it into a simple one. Okay, the next is the comparison operators. We have seen before, right? A greater than B, say for example, A equal to 10, B equal to 20, print of A equal to B. So you are trying to check whether A and B are same. They are not same, so you get a false value. Okay, this is the comparison operators. Then you have the logical operators are and or. If the two values are going to be the same, if they are going to be 1, you get a 1. And if either of the values is 0, you get a 0. So or operator, if either of the values is going to be 1, you get a 1. These are the and or operations. Then you have identity operators which corresponds to is and is not. For example, you have A equal to apple, B equal to apple, C equal to A. So print A is B. Print, okay, let's first stick on to this. So you're just, no, false, because A is a variable which has a different memory location than B. So A and B are not the similar objects. Okay, so if you print C is A, you will get a true value because both point to the same memory location. So these are the identity operators, and the membership operators is print B in A. Okay, you are checking whether the B value is present in A. So you get a false. Okay, B is not in A. Or if you take A equal to 10, A equal to 10, come on, you have a list here. B equal to 5. Print B in A. So it is false. B is not in A. If you have 10, true, because this 10 value is present in A. So it is going to be the, this is the function of in and not in. So if you take not in, you are checking whether B is not present in A. If B is not present in A, you get a true. But if B is going to be present in A, you get a false. So you will get a false here. Next is bitwise operator. So you have two binary values and you are comparing each bit and you are evaluating the value. So that is going to be the bitwise operators. Bitwise and bitwise or so many things are there. Let's go on to the list. List is a mutable iterable object. So mutable in the sense it can be changed. L equal to 1, comma 2, comma. First let's print the type of the list. type of L. Okay, so it is a list. Now let's print the length of the list. So it is 5. Let's retrieve the first element from the list. Print L of 0. Okay, you get a 1. Now, if you want to add an element, what you need to do is L dot append 6. So by default, it adds to the last element of the list. Print of L. So 6. Now I want to reverse the list, or if you want to just remove the last element, you can just give pop. These are some of the list methods. Then L dot reverse. Okay, your list is reversed. Okay, this is an in place reverse. So your original object itself is going to be changed. So I want to delete the list. And again, if you try to print after the deletion, you get an error saying that the L is not defined. Okay, these are some of the list methods. So I request everyone who are watching this video who are fresh for Python to just evaluate the expressions, to just practice few examples of Python and get back to me in case if you have any queries. So let's meet again with another set of interesting videos. So stay tuned, subscribe my channel to get notifications on further videos. Thank you. Take care.